Welcome to Freedom High School, home of the Patriots, where learning is our top priority and our focus is on literacy, rigor, and relationships. This will give you a brief description of all the programs available at Freedom High School. Many of the programs available at Freedom High School offer a unique academic opportunity for our students. These programs do require an application or audition, so be sure to pay attention to the details and reach out to the appropriate sponsor. It is the student's responsibility to contact the sponsor or to complete the application and inquire about auditions. The Academy of Information Technology prepares students for career opportunities in programming, web design, digital networks, and other areas in the expanding digital workplace. Courses do follow a progression in the program. The first one is Digital Information Technology. So if you're interested in the Academy of Information Technology, be sure to sign up for Digital Information Technology so that you will be able to progress through the program. There are industry certifications available in the Academy of Information Technology, such as Adobe and Microsoft Office. The Academy of Hospitality and Tourism. The Academy of Hospitality and Tourism offers students the chance to learn about working in the hospitality industry and how to cook food. There are several courses in the program. It begins with the introduction to hospitality and then moves into the culinary classes. The Academy of Hospitality and Tourism does offer an industry certification in the Culinary Serve-Safe Food Manager exam. The AP Capstone Program is for juniors and seniors, and it provides an opportunity for students to conduct an in-depth, long-term research assignment. The courses in the program are the Capstone Seminar and Capstone Research. Students will apply during the springtime of their sophomore year, and students have the opportunity to earn an AP Capstone Diploma and also an AP Seminar and Research Certificate. The Avid Program is a rigorous academic elective course that prepares students for success in four-year colleges. The Avid scholars will go on college tours, have college tutors, team building activities, and many guest speakers. If you are interested in this program that will help shape your college future, you need to meet the requirements as well as complete an application and have an interview. Being a part of the band opens up many opportunities in the music program. This includes concert bands, jazz band, percussion, and color guard. During the fall, all members of the band are a part of the marching band. Placements are determined by an audition. The band performs many times throughout the year. This is a great opportunity for students who are interested in playing a musical instrument to get involved in a school activity. Chorus is a performance-based course that will encourage the interest of participation in choral music. This program will help develop the appropriate vocal technique and give the students an understanding of how it relates to the choral ensemble. There are several different levels in the chorus program, so you will have to audition in order to be placed in the appropriate level. Please be sure to contact the coordinator so that you will be able to go through the audition process. Color Guard is another program within the Freedom High School Band Department. The Color Guard does require an audition and will perform with all of the marching band routines. Members of the dance company will have different opportunities to perform throughout the school year. Some of those include pep rallies, all-county, PRISM, multicultural night, and the spring concert. The dance company does have auditions, so be sure to pay attention to those details if this is what you're interested in. If you're interested in digital video technologies, you can reach out to the sponsor and be aware that you can earn an industry certification in Adobe Premiere Pro. The Early Childhood Education Program offers opportunities for students to learn about child development and even become a preschool teacher. Students will have the opportunity to earn industry certifications in Early Childhood Professional Certificate and Child Development Associate. The guitar program at Freedom High School offers a positive artistic and music experience for students of all ability levels, from beginning to advanced. Guitar 1 is open to any beginning student, whereas the advanced classes do require an audition. Auditions will be held in the spring, so be sure to mark those dates if that's something you're interested in. If you're interested in a career in journalism and you enjoy writing articles, then the newspaper program might be something you're interested in. Students will write newspaper articles, study important events in journalism history, and much more. The Latinos in Action program offers an approach to bridge the graduation and opportunity gap for Latino students, working from within the educational system to create a positive change. The program operates as a year-long elective course in middle school and high school level with the goal of empowering Latino youth to lead and strengthen their communities through college and career readiness. If this is a program you're interested in, be sure to reach out to the sponsor this spring. The Monticello Academy is a comprehensive college preparation program for high-achieving students. Students will enroll in classes with highly qualified instructors, leadership opportunities, and the flexibility to be successful in both their academics and their extracurricular activities. There are certain course requirements required for the Monticello Scholar Academy. You will find those out as soon as you complete the application. There are industry certifications available as well for the AP Capstone Diploma, as well as earning college credit through the AP courses. The musical theater program focuses on, but is not limited to, acting, vocal performance, dance, non-dance movement, and staging, which transfer readily to performances in musicals and other venues. All students in this class will be cast in a full-scale musical each year that is fully rehearsed in class. If this sounds like a program you'd like to get involved with, please follow the audition process to join. The Orange Technical Dual Enrollment Program offers opportunities for students to take courses at one of the Orange Technical College campuses while still being enrolled in their high school. There are many programs that are available under the Orange Technical Dual Enrollment Program. There are opportunities such as 3D animation, EMT certification, and much more. If this is something you're interested in, then please plan accordingly so that you'll be available to do this during your junior and senior year. In order to apply, you would have to select the program of study, retrieve the application from the career specialist, complete and submit the application, visit the campus with the career specialist, and then wait for the acceptance. Orchestra is another program available in the Performing Arts Department. Classes and instruction are offered from beginning to advanced. The class level will be based on the audition. Auditions will be in the spring, so if this is a program you're interested in, be sure to reach out to the sponsor. Project Lead the Way is an engineering program that empowers students to step into the role of an engineer, adopt a problem-solving mindset, and make the leap from dreamers to doers. The program's courses engage students in compelling, real-world challenges that help them become better collaborators and thinkers. Students will use these skills in high school, but also in the career path that they choose. Project Lead the Way does require an application, so be sure to complete the application if you're interested, and it also offers industry certifications in Autodesk Inventor and Autodesk Rivet. Student Government Association, or SGA, is an opportunity for students to become leaders and experience an in-depth study of decision-making, problem-solving, meeting skills, communication, and much, much more. SGA plans school-wide spirit and service events such as homecoming, prom, pep rally, collection drives, and many more. If you're interested in being a part of the Student Government Association, be sure to complete the application. Technical Theater offers students the opportunities to learn about costume design, puppetry, lighting, sound design, set construction, set design, and makeup design. Stagecraft is another name for Technical Theater. In order to join this program, you must go through an interview process. Be sure to reach out to the sponsor if you're interested in joining Stagecraft or Technical Theater. If you're interested in theater levels 1 through 4, this includes the exploration of literature, performance, historical and cultural connections, and technical requirements. Students are introduced to acting and character development. There's no requirement to join Theater 1, but if you're interested in an upper level, then you will have to do an audition. Be sure to reach out to the sponsor if you're interested in theater. The U.S. Naval Sea Cadets offers students an overview of the military experience through military drill, academic study, physical training, and the development of military aptitude. This course encourages cadets to maintain high standards of leadership, advance in rank, increase their fitness levels, and attend trainings that help their personal growth and grow into responsible citizens. Being a part of the U.S. Naval Sea Cadets allows opportunity to advance in rank in any branch of the military. If this is something you're interested, please reach out to the sponsor and complete the application. The Valencia Dual Enrollment Program is for juniors and seniors. It is designed to allow qualified students to earn college credit at no cost to them while still in high school. If you're interested in earning high school credit and college credit at the same time, and you qualify, then you will apply during the spring semester of your sophomore year. There will be a parent meeting and student meeting in February. You have just heard about the many different programs available at Freedom High School. Parents and students may review this information by following the link listed at the bottom here. Be sure to reach out to the sponsor or complete the application of the program you're interested in. These are great opportunities, and we hope to see you get involved soon.